Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, the best way to come out from anxiety is doing meditation daily. So here I am sharing meditation for anxiety which you can do at your home. It provides relief from anxiety and stress. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start how to do meditation for anxiety. Sit with Sukhasana pose. First, relax your breath 3 times. Deep inhale, slowly exhale. Relax your shoulder. Relax your arms. Take a Dhyan Mudra. This is Dhyan Mudra. Hands on your knees. Friends, inhale with 4 count and then retain your breath with 4 count and then exhale with 4 count. Be with me. Inhale. Inhale with 4 count, then retain your breath with 4 count, then exhale with 4 count. Again with me. Count in your mind. Again. Exhale. Inhale with 4 count. Retain your breath with 4 count. Exhale with 4 count. Repeat it with 10 times in a day. Inhale. Hold it with 4 counts. Exhale with 4 counts. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Friends, practice this meditation 10 times in a day. Inhale 4 count. Exhale with 4 count and hold your breath with 4 count. Again one time with me. Hold. Exhale. And then relax your breath. Join your palms together. Rub them as well. And give this energy to your eyes, full face, your head, ears, and take a Dhyan Mudra. Deep inhale, chant Om 1 time. Slowly open your eyes and release the posture. So friends, practice this meditation regularly and get positive results. Namaste, take care and be connected.